Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Discord stream paused problem. So make sure to update your app like the Discord app and make sure it is up to date, and if it is not, just make sure to update it and download a newer version of it. And once you have downloaded the newer version, just simply open the Discord app and just click on this settings icon below your the phone or like headphones option. You will see like three options: microphone, your headphones type something, and the settings. So just click on settings, and on here you will see like multiple options: user setting and billing setting, app setting, and everything. So just make sure to scroll down a little bit, and in the app setting you will see multiple options like appearance, accessibility, voice and video, chat, notifications. So just make sure to go to this section, voice and video. And once you're here, you will see like all these settings: input, output. So just do not change any of them. Simply scroll down, and you will see like this advanced section. And once you see the advanced section, you will see like these options: video codec, open, H.264, and hardware acceleration, echo cancellation. If it is turned off, make sure to turn it back on, like hardware acceleration. As you can read, hardware acceleration uses your GPU for efficient video encoding and decoding if available. So if it is turned off, make sure to turn it back on, and once you turn back on, your problem will be solved. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue. So just make sure to go to this voice and video, go to advanced section and hardware acceleration, and that's it.